All right, y'all, so welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, I have my intake side air intake on the table because I'm gonna try to address the vibration that comes from this side of the bike. So y'all stay with me. I'm about to tear this thing apart and see if we can't fix that vibration. What I have here today, I have some Velcro tape. This is just something that I found. And I also have a T15 torque bit. So what we're gonna really do is take off these two screws here and unclamp the inside. What you have is a shell, and then you have the inner piece. So we're gonna take that apart. We're gonna add the Velcro, and then we're gonna put it back together and see if that's gonna solve some of the vibration. If this Velcro doesn't work, then I might have to try something a little bit thicker, but hopefully this will work. This is what I was able to find. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart and get into it. All right, y'all. So I had the T15 torque screws. I took those out with my T15 torque bit. Next is to unclamp right here. You have two little prongs on each side. Take a pair of needle nose pliers, push them in, and then pull the unit up, and then we're gonna slide the unit out. So that's what we're gonna do now. Alrighty, so I got that part done. Next is to just slide it. So now you've slid out your inner unit, and what I've been seeing is apparently... All right, so what I've been seeing is that you're getting a lot of rattle when the outer shell meets the inner shell. And so we're gonna pretty much put us a piece of foam right here and pretty much secure it back together, and hopefully that'll take care of our rattling noise. So again, apparently the rattling noise is coming from when the outer shell kind of meets with the in shell and the two plastics are hitting. So let's see if we can take care of that. We're gonna add that Velcro and see what happens. All right, so I added two pieces of Velcro, one here and one there. I'm gonna see how that does and just kind of follow up with that. So let's get this thing put back together. All right, so just like that, we put everything back together. This just kind of snapped back in. You know, I slid it in first, snapped it back in, turned around here, put the two screws in, and then well, my filter fell out, but I'll put my filter back in. So let's pop it back on the bike and see what it sounds like. Alrighty, y'all, so here we go. This is the moment of truth. I'm about to go ahead and crank it on up. Let's see what this vibration starts to sound like. I am not hearing any vibration at this moment. So far, $4 fix sounds pretty good. So for now, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's gonna be it.